Welcome to this short video on the new ASI SmartBooks Update version 3.7.5. ASI Computer Systems is committed to constant innovation and improvement that is provided to you through the ASI SmartBooks updates. We've recently made several enhancements to make ASI SmartBooks even more indispensable. Here are some of the highlights. The first enhancement to review will be the invoice products list and adding an optional column for customer paid date. A customer paid date column can be added to the invoice product list view for additional reporting, allowing you to track when the invoice has been paid. An example, if you had to pay royalties on a product. Under the Customer tab of our ribbon menu, go into our List Control group and selecting Invoice Products. We'll go up to a column heading, right-click, go down to Add Remove Columns. We'll go down underneath Customer Code, and we'll select Customer Paid Date. This will be the most recent receivable posting date for this invoice. Once we select it, you'll see the Customer Paid Date on the right-hand column. The next new enhancement will be underneath the Order Tracking and Order Product List views. Two optional columns have been added to the Order Tracking and Order Product List. The first column will be the email address. This will show the vendor's primary email address. The second column will be the phone number, and this will show the vendor's primary office phone number. These columns would allow you to easily contact your vendor through email or a phone call. From the Customer menu, we can go to Order Products under our List Control group. Under the Order menu, under List Control group, again, we can go to the Order Products. Under the Order Tracking Control group, we'll have the update for the Order Tracking List view. When I select either one of these list views, we'll go up to our column heading, right-click, we'll go to Add Remove Columns, we'll go down and select our email. This will be the vendor's default email address. And then down a little bit further, we'll check the box by phone, and this will be the vendor's default office phone number. Once I add those, we'll go to Apply. On the right-hand side of our list view, you'll see our email address and phone number. Under our Tracking Control group, we'll have the update for the Order Tracking Report. We'll go to one of our column headings, go down to Add Remove. We'll go down and select Email. This will be our vendor's default email address. Under Phone, this will be the vendor's default office phone number. Once we've made our selection, we'll go into Apply Changes. And now we'll see our email address and phone number. The next new enhancement will be under the Audit Trail list. Additional columns were added for the product code and product description based on the product resource. Users will now see two columns for each of these headers. The column description from within the Add Remove column pop-up will indicate their differences. This allows you to report audit trail transactions by product resource. The benefit is to report on a product resource that may have had their code or description changed. The current code and description is based on the invoice line, which would show what it was when the invoice was created. These new columns will assist you with researching geo postings for a product that has had the code or description changed. Going to Accounting and selecting Audit Trail under our General Ledger Control group, We'll go to our column heading again, to add remove columns. These additional columns were added for the product code and product description based on the product resource. Users will now see 2 columns for each of these headers, but the column description within this add remove column pop-up will indicate their differences. Once we make our changes, apply changes, any product resource established inside of ASI SmartBooks will then appear with the product code and description from that product resource. We can go ahead and close these list views. And this will complete this short video on the new ASI SmartBooks Update version 3.7.5.